Yes, serious. And that no good.
I'm 100 that phone lines.
Well, look what just came in the mail. That joke does not came in no mail. These some second-hand parts, but better than nothing. Functioning farms. Bought them second-hand. Obviously they used, but hell, better than being a dump truck. Yeah, got them on a good deal too. So yeah, we about to go low on them. And before I even stop this, let me shout out the person I got them from. Luke. Yeah, big up to Luke. Luke Wells, fireman. Yeah, big up to him. Got these on the low. He said he had them sitting around from your car in his shed. You found them, got them out, cleaned them up, and now they finna go on my busy. One man garbage is the next man, however the saying go, I can't remember. Got some stuff over there. I got some stuff over here. Brand new battery. Brand spanking new. So we went go pick up some more stuff. Let me see. Okay. Oil filter, and some more of a Mr. oil. Throw that in the fuel. Yeah, just do your research on it. It's good. This is medicine for this car that has not been serviced in I don't know how long, because she's been sitting down for 2 years. So yeah. Alright, so I came and look at another Inspire. This might possibly be another addition to the camp, doing a car / flip. She has a titanium exhaust, some work 18-inch rims, MUGEN body kit, that's the front lip, side skirts, and the rear lip. I was just checking it to see if she had any suspension, because the car was kind of low, but the suspension looks stock, but the car not stock height, so I don't know if they cut or what going on there, but just checking it out. Her paint, it could do better still. I could probably get it buff out and see if we can bring it back. But yeah, that's just a little walk around of the car. Might end up, scooping it up. On another episode, start making some changes around this. Gonna be moving this. Put her over there, put that right here, and then we got something to put right there. And I'll soon see what going on. Sativa or her madness. Well, let's attempt to do this before the mosquitoes fully come out, because they're already out. Look at this dog, man. She's so full, yo. Well, with a lot of pushing, a lot of pulling, we got her over there. We finish cleaning on around, yeah. Reverse it into here, and we gonna have an empty parking space right there for something special. And then Paula could get back her parking space. Well, guess what just showed up? Oops, I did it again. Well, when I saw the little walk around I did when I went to look for it. Well, I got it for a deal, so before it got sold, I had to go scoop it up. Yeah. This is it. And I thought it was just an exhaust tip, so he has, but he said a full exhaust, so actually better, even though it's more work. Did the same thing, same chassis, so whichever one it is, it is. In the morning, I'm going to do a proper video when the sun out, bro, clean it up and make gonna see what's going on. Well, here we have it. Let me tell you now what's going to happen, A grill going on this car. That front lip, side skirt, rear lip going on this car. Exhaust system going on this car. These rims going to go a different color, then they're going on this car. I'm going to basically be putting this back to stock. So they're going to put these rims on this car. Paint, her paint done. You can see that. New addition to the camp. 2 new additions to the camp. Just like the black and white Civic, if you want to remember them. So yeah, let's get it. Well, this will read so far. So 1 rim on there and 1 rim there. Rear lip off, front lip off, and the right side skirt is off, or from this way left. I can't get the other one off because there's no space behind there. So I just go wait for the brother to come bring the body. Once he gets that, and then wait for my brethren to bring my job. Pull her out, take off that next rim for, and then take off the side skirt, and then we can get to what we're doing. 2 on the right side. Whole, yeah, she just look different with these rims. So. And even had like the red, but I keep it red. So yeah, before I finish this vlog, I just going to pull out the power washer and soap them down and spray them off. Give them a little clean. Going to pull out the seat covers, the front and the back ones. Throw them in the washing machine, get them clean up. And pull off the steering wheel cover. Put it on this. Easy way, you're done now. Whoa! These seats is bad. Yeah, I just gonna leave this on. Yeah, just leave them in there. Well, I couldn't wait for the brother to bring the body, so I just took the body out of mine, put it in this, reverse it so, took the rim off. So now all 4 of the rims are on the BZ. So all I'm gonna be doing is putting that rim back on it, moving that out, power wash this, power wash that. Call it a day. Well, find the finish. Whew. All I can tell you say, hey man, sun is hot. So she look now. Whew, cookie and cream. So what I done for this, I go inside, take a break from the sun before I move them around and clean them up. Well, it's time to wash. It's a different nozzle, this one just to like get off, I don't know, go dirt and stuff, and then that one for the soap and the high pressure. Well, this one high pressure too, but you hear it? Yeah, she gonna take the dirt off. I have to tell you that, don't put it on your paint though. Don't put that too close. Tear the paint off if you are.
DJ, fresh like water, me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl I scream and I talk. Over 36 baby pins on me and Jamie angle the park. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, as no way I make clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean, as no way I make clean.
Alright, so I just got through washing both of them. Well, I wiped that one down already. We'll wipe this one down, you know. Spray some tire shine on her and put them up. Well, gonna end the vlog here. Washed. I got her part there. I'm gonna park this in front of the MR2, so just gonna clean up the rest of the mess and pack up everything. So yeah, end the vlog here. Be easy way, you done know. We out.